From Daily Forex, this is Chris looking at the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ 100. And you can see Friday was explosive, and we're up, it looks like about 3.5%. We did pull back a bit. At one point, we were closer to 4%, pulling back from the 20-day EMA after the 1-2 punch of Jay Powell, suggesting that perhaps the Fed was watching the stock markets and stronger than anticipated jobs figures. Now, these are good things, except I think there's going to be a question asked over the weekend, and that's if the Fed is watching the markets, is there something to worry about? It's only a matter of time before that comes into play, I think. The 2600 level above should be massive resistance based upon the massive support. So I'm going to look for some type of exhaustion there to short. I think we can rally for a couple of days here, but the 50-day EMA will bring in a lot of longer-term selling. And beyond that, we have earnings in a couple of weeks. And that's really what we need to see to drive this market higher. Yes, Friday was a very good day for the buyers. And we have broken through a slight gap. But longer term, from a structural point of view, there's been a lot of damage done. And while this was a really good start to the rally, I think it may be somewhat short-lived. So over here in the NAS 100, you can see same thing. 6,500 is just above the 20. I think that there is going to be a significant amount of resistance at the 50-day EMA, so a daily close above there has me buying. Otherwise, I'm looking for trouble just above where we're at. It'll be interesting to see how this Monday candlestick forms. If it ends up being a shooting star, that's almost like a perfect sell signal, so we'll have to see. I think there's going to be a lot of questions asked over the weekend about this move. If the Fed's worried about the markets again, then is there something to worry about? And let's be honest, so far we've seen that to be the case as of late. So I think the next 24 hours will be interesting. I probably would err on the side of caution and just simply wait for the Monday close before putting money to work.